Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly why the API access is blocked. Check the moderation email and developer console for error codes and timestamps, then pull request logs from your server to map the offending calls. Once done, cross-reference those calls against Roblox rate limits and TOS to see whether it was abuse, malformed requests, or unusual volume. Make sure to save all evidence, screenshots, logs, and sample payloads, because you'll need them in the next step when you formally request review or fix your implementation. Next, address the technical causes so you don't get reblocked. Implement exponential backoff and jitter for 429 responses and handle retries safely. Make sure you abort after a sane limit. Once done, sanitize inputs, trim payloads, and batch or cache requests to lower volume. Also check authentication, rotate keys, refresh OAuth tokens, and include required headers exactly as the API expects. Make sure to run a controlled test against a sandbox or low-traffic account before requesting reinstatement. Finally, submit a clear appeal to Roblox support with concise evidence, error codes, timestamps, before and after request samples, and what code changes you made. Once sent, monitor email and developer console and be ready to demonstrate a staged rollout. Start 10% traffic, watch error rates, then increase. If they deny reinstatement, ask for precise reasons and repeat the targeted fixes. Make sure to document every communication. One troubleshooting tip: if responses still show rate errors, double-check time sync on servers and IP reputation with link services.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.